build thrones in my dressing room.
So hello and welcome to my another video. So in this video I'll show you the unboxing of the MTT reversible USB cable. So without further ado, let's get started. As on the outer box you can see the features: charging mobile, combine the function of data transmission, charging, unique design, reinforcement, connectivity, model, yeah. Over here it says reversible connection, reversible connectors, 1.4 amp max. So yeah, let's get and unbox this device. Hey, where's my knife? I got it. So let's do. So I got the knife. Over here, let's do the unboxing. Yeah, quite simple. Yeah, the box is little plastic, but the presentation of the cable is good. So here you are presented with the cool golden USB cable. So yeah, this is the cable itself. Just remove it, and nothing else than this. So just remove it. Let me just remove the strap. So as you can see, this has got a metal strap. This is the cable, and this cable is made up of nylon. So yeah, it's a pretty strong cable, as you can see. Yeah, that's all what you got in this. And here is the sun adapter. So what it does, it's like this. So yeah, now I'll show you how you can connect this to your PC. So this is my PC, and now I'll show you how you can connect this cable very easily to your PC. Let's get started with this. So it's just quite simple. As usual, what you have to do is being shown in this. Yeah, so this is the cable. Just plug it in as the usual cable. So this is the main side of the cable, and now this is the reversible side of the cable. So this what the company did, just made a partition from the upper side, as you can see. Yeah, now let us move on how you can connect the same cable to your smartphone. Wait, where's my smartphone? Please, can you give me? Please? Oh, thank you. So yeah, I got the phone and my cable. So as you can see, it's not a USB Type-C cable. So you can easily connect like this, a normal cable. So if you want to buy this cable, you can click down below in the description box, and I've given the link for the same. And that's it. Now it's been connected to the PC very easily, and this is from the reversible side. It's that simple. The main thing is that this cable is under 250 or 270 rupees. So yeah, that's all. Just hit on the subscribe button on the right side of the screen and on the left to watch my latest video. Till then, peace.